Americans are carrying $1.25 trillion in credit card debt. And if you look at the headlines right now, 26% of Americans are spending more than they earn. People are terrified. They're anxious. They can't sleep. Most people think debt is bad because it's morally wrong. But that's not why you're trapped. Debt is just rented money. The problem is that the credit card companies have figured out how to use the one number against you. And if you don't understand this one number, you will pay the banks more money this year than you will spend on groceries, gas, and your rent combined.
So what is the one number? It's the spread. It's simply what the money earns minus what the money costs. When you carry a balance on a credit card at 24% or 29% interest, you are paying an enormous rent on your money. You are on the wrong side of the one number. Let's look at the poor man's spread. You are buying depreciating assets, groceries, gas, consumer goods, with money that costs you 29%. You aren't earning anything back on those groceries. The spread is infinitely negative. You are paying more than you earn every single day. Now, let's look at the bank's spread. The bank borrows money from the Federal Reserve at a much lower rate, let's say 5%. They then lend it to you at 29%. Their spread is massive. They are renting money cheap and selling it to you expensive. They are winning. You are losing.
And this isn't just math. This is real life. A recent study found that 63% of Americans say financial worries impact their sleep. Another 67% of people worry more about running out of money than they do about death. This anxiety comes directly from having a negative spread in your daily lives. You feel it every time you open the mail. You feel it when you check your balance. It's the feeling of knowing that no matter how hard you work, the interest is eating it all.
So how do you escape? You have to flip the spread. The most powerful move you can make today is the 0% arbitrage. If you are carrying a balance at a high interest rate right now, you are the factory lending to the credit card company at 29%. Flip it. Move that balance to a 0% offer. Pay a 3% fee instead of a 29% rate. You have just turned a massively negative spread into a neutral one. That is not theory. You can do that today. But to fix the spread permanently, you must increase the earning side. This means investing in assets that earn more than the 29% cost of the debt, or increasing your income so you stop relying on the credit line for essentials. Debt is just rented money. The only question that ever mattered is whether what you do with it earns more than the rent. Get that one inequality on the right side, and debt stops being the thing that owns you and becomes the thing you own. Subscribe, and next time I will show you the version of this you can actually scale, step by step. I will see you then.